Hey, it's Ryan at Strathmore Dodge. Here we have a fresh trade. It's a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in granite. This one is a fresh trade. It only has 25,000 K. You've got remote start, backup camera, keyless entry. Looking inside, you've got the full leather seats, heated steering wheel. 8.4-inch display with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, since it is a Rubicon, you've got all your auxiliary hookups, as well as your sway bar controls. And what's special about this one is it's got an aftermarket full headliner on both the Freedom top and the back roof piece. So it'll be quieter and it will stay warmer in the winter. Under the hood, it is a 2-liter turbo. Come on down to Strathmore Dodge, come check it out, or feel free to send any inquiries to Ryan at strathmoredodge.com.